Today, we honor our students who have completed an important chapter of the educational journey and are ready to move up to the next level.
And once again,
welcome to the 10th Junior High School Moving Up ceremony of Tacurong National High School, academic year 2024-2025.
To formally welcome us all to this momentous occasion, let us hear the welcome address from Sheena Ishibal with high honors. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Sa ating kagalang-galang na tagapamanihala ng lungsod ng Tacurong, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CO6, na kinakatawan ng ating CID Chief, Ma'am Arlene Rosa G. Arqueza, sa ating Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Gilbert B. Barrera, sa ating butihing alkalde ng lungsod, Honorable Joseph George L. Lechoncito, MD, DPA, sa ating pangalawang alkalde ng lungsod, Honorable Lina O. Montilla, sa ating punong guro, Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 2, sa ating Assistant School Principal, Ma'am Esther Yuliaran, ASP2, sa ating Junior High School Assistant to the Principal, Sir Danny L. Dagaas, sa ating Senior High School Assistant to the Principal, Sir Ronald D. De La Peña, sa mga opisyal ng School PTA na narito ngayon, sa pangunguna ni Engineer Romeo Hevero, sa ating SGC President, Pastor Kelvin Bugador, sa ating mga guro at kawani ng paaralan, sa ating mga magulang, guardians, panauhin, mga katuwang sa paaralan, kaibigan, at sa aking kapwa completers, isang maganda at mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Sa lahat ng bagay, unahin natin ang pagkilala sa Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng lahat ng biyayang ating tinanggap. Ang kanyang pagpapala ang siyang gumabay sa atin sa buong paglalakbay na ito. Narating natin ang tagumpay na ito dahil sa kanyang pagmamahal at paggabay. At para sa iyo, ang lahat ng papuri at pasasalamat. Ngayon ay isang natatanging araw, isang pagkakataong balikan ang mga alaala na humubog sa atin. Naalala niyo ba ang unang araw na pumasok tayo sa ating mga silid-aralan? Mga matang puno ng kuryosidad, pusong sabik sa bagong karanasan, at isipan na may kaba sa kung anong naghihintay sa hinaharap. Ngayon, hindi lang tayo nakatayo sa dulo ng isang akademikong yugto, kundi bilang mga individual na hinubog ng bawat hamon, aral at karanasan. Hindi ito ang wakas. Ito'y pagdiriwang ng ating tagumpay. Naging mas matatag tayo, mas may tiwala sa sarili, at mas handa sa susunod na hakbang para sa ating mga pangarap. Katunayan, hindi naging madali ang daan. May mga group projects na sumubok sa ating pagkakaisa, mga nakakapuyat na gawain na sumagad sa ating lakas, at mga talakayang tila walang katapusan. Ano ang ating naging sandigan? Determinasyon. Ang sinag na nagmumula sa ating mga laptop o cellphone, at sa dami ng kape para manatiling gising. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat, tayo'y nagpatuloy. At sa pagpapatuloy na iyon, natutunan natin ang mas malalim na kahulugan ng tagumpay. Ang moving up ceremony na ito ay higit pa sa tradisyon. Ito'y pagpupugay sa lahat ng ating napagtagumpayan. Patunay ito na kapag naging mahirap ang buhay, tayo'y mas tumitibay. At kapag hindi naging tiyak ang lahat, kumakapit tayo sa pag-asa. At kapag tayo'y nadapa, bumabangon tayong mas matatag. Sa aming mga guro, aming pangalawang magulang, tagapagturo at gabay, maraming salamat po. Ang inyong tiyaga, karunungan at paniniwala sa amin ang naging susi sa bawat aha moment namin. Sa aming mga magulang at tagapag-alaga, aming cheerleaders, alarm clock at tahimik na bayani, nakita namin kayo. Kayo'y kasama namin sa bawat naudlot na gising at sa bawat 5 minutes pa. Hindi ninyo kami pinabayaan at ang pagmamahal ninyo ang nagtulak upang maabot ang aming mga pangarap. Sa aming mga kaklase at kaibigan, ito'y masaya pero may halong lungkot na sandali. Ang ilan sa atin ay tatahak ng ibang landas, susubok ng bagong hamon at lilipat ng paaralan. Ngunit ang mga alaala, halakhak, at mga pagsubok na sabay nating hinarap ay mananatiling bahagi ng ating pagkatao. Ang tunay na pagkakaibigan ay hindi nawawala. Ito'y sumasabay sa ating paglago. Sa pagsisimula ng ating bagong yugto bilang mga senior high school students, hindi lang tayo naghahanda sa mas mahihirap na signatura o mas mabigat na responsibilidad. Tayo ay papasok sa isang yugto ng pagtuklas. Gagawa tayo ng mga desisyong huhubog sa ating kinabukasan, sa agham, negosyo, sining, o anumang larangan na magbibigay sigla sa ating damdamin. At ang siglang iyon, hindi lang para sa ating sarili. Ito'y para sa mas mataas na layunin. Ang makapagbigay, makagawa ng pagbabago, at maiwanang may kabuluhan ang ating marka sa mundo. Sabi nga ni Eleanor Roosevelt, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Kaya maniwala tayo. Harapin natin ang hindi alam ng may tapang. Yakapin ang mga hamon ng may tibay at tanggapin at ang bawat bagong oportunidad ng bukas ang puso. Malayo na ang ating narating. Bakit titigil pa tayo? At sa huli, minsan, na-imagine mo, makikita mo sa imagination mo, wow, ang taas ko na pala. Sumakses ka eh. Pero step by the step pala, bago ka sumakses. Pero imagine mo, bigla kang sumakses. Wow! Nag-time skip! Pero ang totoo, ang tagumpay ay hindi mahika. Ito'y paglalakbay. Isang aral kada araw. Ang daang nasa harap natin ay humihiling ng isa pang hakbang, isa pang pagsubok, at isa pang tiwala sa proseso. Ngayong araw, ipinagdiriwang natin hindi lamang kung ano ang narating natin, kundi maging ang kapanapanabik na paglalakbay na naghihintay sa atin sa hinaharap. Maging proud tayo, maging mapagpasalamat, at higit sa lahat, maging mapagmapunyagi. Binabati ko tayong lahat. Maligayang pagdalo sa ika-10 Moving Up Ceremony. Gawin nating memorable ang araw na ito. To God be the glory.
Thank you, Sheena. At this point, let us all lend our ears as we listen to the opening message of Sir Danny L. Dagaas, Assistant to the Principal in Charge for Junior High School. Let us give him a round of applause, sir.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sit down. To our school division superintendent, Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, duly represented by our Curriculum Implementation Division Chief, Ma'am Maria Arlene G. Arquesa. To our Assistant School Division Superintendent, Sir Gilbert B. Barrera. Dedicated teachers, as well as our school administrators, Esther M. Yuliran, Assistant Principal 2, Mr. Ronald De La Pina, Assistant to the Principal for Senior High School, and to Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 2 of Tacorong National High School. Proud parents, and most especially to our remarkable grade 10 completers for the school year 2024-2025. We gather today to celebrate a significant milestone, a moment of transition and achievement. As we witness the culmination of your junior high school journey, we are reminded of the theme that guides us. Henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kaagapay ng bagong Pilipinas. You, our completers, represent this generation of unity, the very foundation upon which our new Philippines will be built. The knowledge, skills, and values you acquired here are the tools you use to contribute to a brighter future. Today, as we reflect on your journey, we recall the countless hours of study, the collaborative projects, the challenges overcome, and the friendships forged. These experiences have not only shaped your academic prowess, but also instilled in you the values of resilience, empathy, and unity, the very pillars of pagkakaisa. You have demonstrated the capacity to work together, to support one another, and to rise collectively, embodying the spirit of a generation ready to lead. As you prepare to embark on your senior high school, remember that this new program is designed to further hone these skills, offering specialized tracks that cater to your individual strengths and passions. The bagong Pilipinas we envision is one where every individual contributes their unique talents and perspectives. It is a nation built on inclusivity, innovation, and a shared commitment to progress. As you step forward, remember that your education is not merely a personal achievement, but a responsibility to use your knowledge for the betterment of society. We believe in your ability to be catalyst for positive change, to bridge divides, and to champion the ideals of a truly united Philippines, equipped with the knowledge and skills the strength that this new program or curriculum provides. Today is not just about completing a phase, but about launching into a new chapter where your potential will shape our community and our nation. So with hearts full of pride and anticipation, let us begin this moving up ceremony, celebrating the accomplishments of these determined individuals. Let's celebrate this momentous occasion with joy and gratitude. Let's honor the hard work and dedication of our completers, the unwavering support of their families, and the tireless efforts of our educators, our teachers. May this ceremony serves as a testament of the power of education and the promise of a generation poised to make a significant impact. We are confident that the foundation you built here will enable you to thrive in the bagong Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang ating mga mag-aaral. Mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas.
Thank you, Sir Dagaas. This ceremony wouldn't be completed without hearing a message from the Department of Education, our DepEd Secretary, Juan Edgardo M. Angara, through a video presentation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the message of the Honorable Secretary of the Department of Education, Senator Juan Sonny Angara. As we close school year 2024-2025, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our learners, teachers, school staff, parents, and partners who have been part of this shared journey. This year's theme, Generasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kagape ng Bagong Pilipinas, Generation of Unity, Partner in Building a New Nation, underscores our collective effort in strengthening our education system to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving world. I have seen this commitment firsthand in my visits to schools across the country. I have met learners who wake up before dawn to walk kilometers to learn, teachers who go beyond their duty, and parents who sacrifice to provide their children with better opportunities. These realities push us to craft enduring reforms. Through the 5-point reform agenda, we have taken concrete steps to address classroom shortage, strengthen our workforce by filling critical personnel, accelerate digitalization, enrich career pathways, and implement policies that lead to lasting systemic improvements. We open the doors of our offices and schools to our partners in the private sector to make these reforms work. Beyond solving existing challenges, we are also spearheading the groundwork for a future-ready education system. Our goal is not just about an uptick in numbers. Our goal is for every Filipino child, no matter where they are, to have the opportunity for learning, growth, and success. To our teachers and school staff, your dedication is the foundation of this transformation. Your hope and hard work are the reason we are making progress. To parents and guardians, your support at home shapes the aspirations of our learners and inspires them to strive for more. To our students, you are the heart of everything we do. Your dreams fuel our drive to make education better and more inclusive. And to our graduates and completers of SY 2024-2025, congratulations. You are the generation that binds all of us together. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, bring with you the determination, perseverance, resourcefulness, and compassion that define us as Filipinos. As we move forward, DepEd, under the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., remains committed to raising the quality of education, strengthening governance, and ensuring that all learners reach their full potential. With an unyielding commitment to equity, we will build a stronger, more inclusive education system for generations to come. Thank you very much, and long live the education of the new Philippines. Sonny Angara, Secretary, Department of Education.
And this time, let's hear a message from our Regional Director, Carlito D. Recafort, CESO 5, duly represented by Ma'am Arlene Rosa Arquiza, CID Chief. Let's give her a big round of applause, please.
Thank you very much to our MC. My greetings of peace and goodwill to all of you, especially to the completers of school year 2024-2025, as well as to all dignitaries seated here in front, the principal of our Tacorong National High School, Sir Martin Diaz, together with his assistants. Of course, we have there with us Engineer Hevero, department heads of the different subjects in these particular schools, teachers, my dear parents. Of course, I would like to mention also our schools division superintendent, Sir Hildo Mosqueda, CEO 6, and our assistant schools division superintendent, Gilbert Barrera, SESE, to all our stakeholders who made also this occasion a very memorable for our completers this school year. Once again, a pleasant morning to all of you. This is indeed a great moment to all our completers for this school year of Tacorong National High School. Prior to that, I would like to extend personally my warmest congratulations to all of you, my dear completers, and to all our parents and guardians of these beautiful people seated at the center of this gymnasium. You have heard the message of our DepEd Secretary, Sani Angara, and he is very particular of the 5-point agenda that the Department of Education have, and he has really that spirit of full support for you, my dear learners, as well as our teachers. Everything that we do in the Department of Education ay hindi po para kay Sir Martin, hindi po para kay Sir De La Peña, hindi po para sa mga guro, kundi ang lahat ng ito ay ginagawa ng departamento para sa inyo, mga kabataan. Next year, you will step the next ladder of education, and that is the senior high school. As an advanced information, the Department of Education has revised the K-12 curriculum. Hindi po nawala ang K-12 curriculum, kundi ito po ay parati nating nire-revise to suit the needs of our children, to suit the needs of the community wherein nobody will be left behind, and that all of these learners in front of us will have a better life in the future. So with this, I would like to read to you, my dear graduates and parents, the message from our regional director, none other than Director Carlita de Rocafort, Director 4 of the Department of Education, particularly here in Region 12. And I quote, "My warmest greetings to the completers of Batch 2025. Your journey of success has only just begun." Hindi pa po nagtatapos ang inyong journey. Nagsisimula pa lang po kayo, my dear learners. He said further, "Congratulations on reaching this unforgettable milestone, because today marks the culmination of years of your hard work and determination. And as you stand on the edge of the future, you're not only just celebrating your personal accomplishment. Hindi lang po sarili ninyong accomplishment ang ating ipinagdidiriwang ngayon, my dear completers, but also becoming part of something bigger. Mas malaki pa po ang ini-expect sa inyo. A collective force that will help shape the future of not only Tacorong City, but of our nation. Naintindihan ninyo, mga bata? The theme of this academic year, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines, calls on all of us, especially you, my dear youth, to come together and work towards a better and brighter future. You gain the knowledge and skills needed to succeed. But more importantly, you now have the power and responsibility to become the game changers our society needs. Nasa palad po ninyo, mga mag-aaral or completers ng taong ito, no? Junior high school, nasa palad po ninyo ang success ng ating sosyedad. Ang success ng inyong buhay. Nasa sa inyong mga palad. This theme reminds us that unity is not just an ideal, but something essential for the success of our communities and our nation. We live in a time when challenges, ang dami-dami po ninyong challenges na pinagdaanan mula grade 7 hanggang ngayong grade 10, whether in politics, economics, or social issues, it is all around us. But it's through collaboration, sa pagtutulungan po natin and working together that we can truly overcome those hurdles. Your education hasn't just been about achieving personal success. It's also been about understanding the importance of community and partnership. So dapat po ninyong isa-isip parate, hindi lang po yung sariling kapakanan, kundi ang kapakanan po ng inyong mga kapwa, mag-aaral at ng sosyedad, ng komunidad. As you step into this new chapter, remember that you're not walking this path alone. Hindi po kayo nag-iisa, mga bata. Nandirito po ang inyong mga magulang, ang mga kapatid, mga lolo at lola, ang inyong mga guro, ang inyong mga punong guro. Nandirito po kami para sa inyo. You have the support of everyone. Your fellow graduates or completers, ang pamilya po ninyo, ang community as a whole, and of course, your teachers here in front who have guided you every step of the way. The journey ahead will require all of us to take action together, whether it's through simple acts of kindness, innovative solutions to big problems, or standing up what's right. Each of you has an important role to play in this movement toward unity. Huwag po kayong sumuko, mga kabataan. Ito pong mga kaguruan ninyo, ito pong mga magulang ninyo na nakapaligid sa inyo, ay dumaan din sa napakaraming pagsubok. Kaya sa kukunting problema, sa kukunting bagay na nagbibigay ng stress sa inyo, huwag po kayong sumuko. Dahil ang dami-dami natin sa loob ng gym na ito na pwedeng magbigay ng gabay at tulong at advice sa inyo upang marating ninyo kung saan naruroon ngayon ang mga taong nasa harap ninyo, ang taong mga nakapaligid sa inyo. Let's look forward the future with optimism. Dapat kasi positive parate. Yung mga negative na yon na nakapaligid sa inyo, na dumarating sa inyong mga buhay, gawin po ninyong positibo. Huwag po kayong magpadala sa emosyon ninyo na kung saan dadalhin kayo sa hindi magandang bagay. Diba? Kung minsan kasi nangingibabaw parate ang emosyon ng galit sa atin. Yung isip na parating hindi natin o binibigyan ng halaga kung sino po yung nasa paligid natin. Look at your parents, my dear completers. Tingnan ninyo sila. Yung mga ngiti sa kanilang mga labi, yung mga luha na sa kanilang mga mata ay hindi ninyo nakikita, ay parating nandyan kasi napakalaki po ng kanilang pangarap para sa inyo. Yung pangarap na hindi nila narating, ay gusto nilang marating sa pamamagitan ninyo, my dear completers. Isa pa lang, pupunta pa kayo sa senior high school. After senior high school, you will still pursue your college studies. Pagkatapos nun, meron pang challenges na darating sa buhay ninyo. Kasi hindi pa kayo, maybe, magkakaroon ng trabaho. Pero wag po kayong sumuko. Again, you are the generation that will lead us forward, turning the hope for a new beginning into reality. Now is the time to embrace your potential. Build meaningful partnership and contribute to the transformation of our beloved nation. Our regional director, as well as our schools division superintendent, our assistant schools division superintendent, the curriculum implementation division personnel, the school governance operation personnel, would like to extend our congratulations to all of you. As our RD said, always be a good leader and an example to the community. He extends his congratulations and he says that may your journey toward a unified, progressive Philippines begin with the bold steps you take today. Not tomorrow, not on the next day, but today. Instill that in your minds. Mabuhay ang batang Soc-Sargent, mabuhay ang mga kabataang Pilipino. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Ma'am Marlene. Today, we celebrate not just the journey, but the triumph of our junior high school completers. And to formally present them, may we call on Sir Martin I. Diaz, our school principal too, for the presentation of candidates for completion.
This is to be followed by the confirmation by our Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Gildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, duly represented by our CID Chief, Ma'am Arlene Rosa G. Arquiza.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. To the duly representative of our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Gildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, Madam Arlene Rosa G. Arquiza, our CID Chief. Ma'am, as the school principal of Tacorong National High School, I, Martin Indico Diaz, have the honor to present to you the candidates for completion of school year 2024 and 2025, composed of, for Science, Technology, and Engineering Program, STEP, male, we have 26, and female, we have 40. A total of 60 students candidate for completion. For a special program in the arts, we have male, 23, and female, 38. A total of 61 SPA student candidates for completion. For our regular students, we have male, 379. For a female, 375. A total of 754 students candidate for completion for regular student classes. With a grand total of male 428 and female 453, we have candidates for completion of 881. After scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for completion. I therefore certify that these candidates for completion have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the junior high school curriculum. Madam, they are now ready for your confirmation.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me as the duly authorized representative of our Schools Division Superintendent, Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, of the Schools Division of Tacorong, and having been presented and duly certified by the school principal, Mr. Martin Diaz, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the junior high school curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education, I now confirm you, junior high school completers of Tacorong National High School for school year 2024-2025. You are now eligible to receive your certificate of completion. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much, Marlene. This is the moment that each completer has been eagerly anticipating. With great honor, we now proceed to the distribution of Certificate of Completion. Assisting us in this special task are our distinguished school officials. Sir Gildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, Schools Division Superintendent, duly represented by Ma'am Arlene Rosa G. Arquiza, CID Chief.
Martin I. Diaz, Principal 2.
Esther Yuliran, Assistant Principal.
Sir Ronald de la Peña, Senior High School Assistant to the Principal.
Sir Danny L. Dagaas, Assistant to the Principal for Junior High School.
Ma'am Jean T. Fermin, our Academic Coordinator.
And Ma'am Catherine Jacob, Junior High School Registrar.
Gonzales Rogelio Disican Vinluan with honors.
Biag Sarenilen Tua with honors.
Rivero Giancarlo Binacosa with honors.
Batislaong Pamela Joy Hablero with honors.
Galos Jasper Chavez with honors.
Bader Sashindeb Zaira de la Peña with honors.
España Chester Etan Stanislao with honors.
Arzagon Hart Argin Estrecho with honors.
Dinosta Fritz Alben Barrientos with honors.
Arsena Princess Angel Sobrida with honors.
Delgado Luis Malinis with honors.
Abilianosa Janela May Banyes with honors.
Delantar Jasper Haitan Sain Sandao with honors.
Sibayan Candice Sofia Reyes with high honors.
Barty Santino Cana with honors.
Omes Hyacinth Cyrene Illustre with high honors.
Alba Michael J. Vino with honors.
Hanila Plaika Crisette Claus with high honors.
Nietes Chris Jeremy Orquio with high honors.
Dadibas Jesea Marie Dago with high honors.
Dikdikan Fred Charles Bachar with high honors.
Apresto Zairanika Talagdag with high honors.
Kaang Seth Martino Miguel Binoya with high honors.
Alvarado Eretz Chloe Leal with high honors.
Achivar Glenn Jidia Escotor with high honors.
Alvarda Altea Samantha, Sila with high honors.
Agonias Jeremy Nathaniel with honors.
Fernando Maria Kisha Fayette Tumano with honors.
Castillo James Emmanuel Dumolong.
Fernandez Helen Rose Dudo with honors.
Villamor Jiftankan Hara with honors.
Estrella Kyle Ejercito with honors.
Tukaya Luis Hipolan with honors.
De Los Santos Arian May Culago with honors.
Santolio Cyrus Kyle Lighid with honors.
Claudio Patricia Angela Porras with honors.
Parian Kurtjan Mindiz with honors.
Serbo Robin Faye Lucille Olino with honors.
Palomo Maximo Ramiscal with honors.
Carbonilia Jessamay Arlante with honors.
Soriano Maclinglib Iganya with honors.
Campomanes Audrey Jen Luro with honors.
Palomo Iswa Antagoni Kapinga with honors.
Kampaan Justine Duran with honors.
Lastimoso Mikael Lot with honors.
Kahandig Abigail Guasin with honors.
Lamira Dinver Sobaldo with honors.
Cabatuando Cassandra J. Cordero with honors.
Inovijas Angelo Taloso with honors.
Brillantes Kristen Iris Aro with honors.
Grisha Jande Tora with honors.
Bonita Micaela Jane Eugenio with honors.
T. Benjamin Silverio with honors.
Undak Salama Lukman with honors.
Tabora Ron David Dasmariñas with honors.
Torreja Charis Bindol with honors.
Paklibar Ryan Kurt Cardinal with honors.
Tajaman Irami Boron with honors.
Monloy Justin Cryan Pacardo with honors.
Remedios Cristel Cassandra with honors.
Marbilia Chisterdon Alisa with honors.
Perote Princess Jillian Caniban with honors.
Manalili Ezekiel Joy Abogadil with honors.
Palomo Sherlyn Joy Himor with honors.
Magdasok si Giancarlo Katipay with honors.
Paklibar Crystal Marie Zapanta with honors.
Makapagal Wiltio Mikel with honors.
Bitimbang Ayesha Inda with honors.
Delmondo Lawrence Jake Itang with honors.
Marigmen Donna Alea Katbagan with honors.
Dangan John Dwayne
Liza
with honors.
Lijan Hart Juanico with honors.
Katubig John Peter Nispiros with honors.
La Fuente Valerie Marie Bachar with honors.
Balani Adol Raman Dalgan with honors.
Gomez Lilwin Faye Jean Awian with honors.
Ariliaga Jandane Espinosa with honors.
Garcia Samantha Celine Belhera with honors.
Bato Josodico with honors.
Catedralia Leon May Arevalo with honors.
Bahon Rinier G. Madira with honors.
Castañares Rayan Rizal Lustica with honors.
Baho Justin Avila with honors.
Caresma Kelsey Eureka Di Kenya with honors.
Dar Samuel Jas Avila with honors. With high honors.
Kabundukan Claudia Vivian de la Cruz with honors.
Silungan Dato Binoto Kadotuin.
Bitalak Ami Partizala with honors.
Navales Ranil G. Flores.
Bernardo Princess Nicole Ismalana with honors.
Escobar Greg Vincent de los Santos.
Marius Hana Badoria with honors.
Arcaina GMJ Estreba.
Bamo Risi Jane Doloho with honors.
Aligonero Emmanuel.
Balinas Sofia Amor Ardales with honors.
Albastro Lance Espora.
Arshiosa Shenleri Delin with honors.
Saidi James Ion Binloan with honors.
Arambala Chiki Sumatra with honors.
Villafranca Milvin D with honors.
Anasita Scarlett Kate Alicia Pauya with honors.
Valdivieso Andres Nagnal with honors.
Vergara Genevieve Valeriano with honors.
De Hongkoy Vince Allen Marinas with honors.
La Pastora Princess Kate Madoro with honors.
Daras John Ray Banyo with honors.
Okino Zoe Klein Balianas with honors.
Corpus Mark Jansen Araya with honors.
Japones Jana Nicole Baloha with honors.
Klaus Ronald Jr. Dancel with honors.
Hablero Shobi Jasmine Duhino with honors.
Serbo Alex Dominic Arzagon with honors.
Gumugda Alexa Pearl Garcia with honors.
Kajenti Aldre Jerzel Lucosin with honors.
Hevero Aleja Lyra Gonzalez with honors.
Cabana Jarel Duquilia with honors.
Garde Alexandra K. Hilia with honors.
Cabana Gerald Duquilia with honors.
Estabilio Gisea Mariel Biliano with honors.
Kabaging King Rojon Basadre with honors.
Inihio Tyra Rose with honors.
Kabading Kirk Laporga with honors.
Dugando Jenica Yato with honors.
Bukanig Justin Dave Kamad with honors.
Delna Bea Aikaide with honors.
Bonita Ayan Cesar Vego with honors.
De la Cruz Era Miles Villanueva with honors.
Byron James Lowinel Guinet with honors.
Daliwan Berna Cathedrilia with honors.
Inda Abdulaziz Gumbay with honors.
Sano Neslay Oscaño.
Hajimanko Haider Plang with honors.
Flores Angel Lowy Ulasiman.
Gumban Ken Trophy Tamayo with honors.
Alayon Maria Angela Agsaluna.
Gonzaga Joshua Bermijo with honors.
Vicen Maristel Pantalita with honors.
Gunlibo Joseph Suiz Mendoza with honors.
Sumagaysay Step Chelsea Distor with honors.
Garbosa Alejandro Montilla with honors.
Sobreda Angel Bitalak with honors.
Gamot Milhart Mercado with honors.
Sobasco Saime Rose Bueco with honors.
Galimba J.R. Bumaga with honors.
Ulasiman Janelle Gatan with honors.
Fulgar John Robert Texon with honors.
Nemes Shana Marie Damandaman with honors.
Doctora Adrian Rick Mozares with honors.
Morillo Angel Kate Dorado with honors.
Diamante Geraniel Binansilan with honors.
Marcelino Josephine Maglapit with honors.
Deos Michael Jan Tubio with honors.
Mamaed Edsel Rose Raigon with honors.
Delantar J.R. Laptik with honors.
Ledesma Giovanni Lapides with honors.
Ortega Jethro Alvarino with honors.
Brasileño Mexica Pagayon with honors.
Nipa Julio Adrian Makahilo with honors.
Aba Norhaipa Galmax with honors.
Nasser Nasif Karim with honors.
Licralde Eden Abrasado with high honors.
Mustafa Norsoy Sindak with honors.
Suminog Kristen May de Los Santos with high honors.
Matabang Edmond Jr. Jantan with honors.
Sibog Rachel Ann Tanyo with high honors.
Magno Jose Ricardo Dabuo with honors.
Sagon Precious Twine Bulak with high honors.
Lupis Cyrus Obra with honors.
Palmares Lady Natalie Nicole Gabino with high honors.
Lipura Kent Bage with honors.
Ocampo Erona Johari Selfa with high honors.
Litigio Joven Suarez with honors.
Mendoza Marcela Amor Diaz with high honors.
Leonin Jan Caballero with honors.
Duhilio Jahana Tanduyan with high honors.
Lihanyo Jan Dave Calar with honors.
Shubal Shena Encarnacion with high honors.
Kamit Eugene Operiano with honors.
Buenafe Nicole Ann Cutanda with high honors.
Juan Neil Carlson Lazarito with honors.
Ayungao Regine Hagisan with high honors.
Salisi Rinsmark Nubio with honors.
Aranya Phoebe May Lira with honors.
Sabiniano Kit Jeros Gagel with honors.
Ang Sheila May Catalunya with honors.
Rendon Genesis King Sarni with honors.
Ampatuan Marisa Ali with honors.
Bornea Egisael Ezekiel Baladad with honors.
Amay Trixie Joy Dinsay with honors.
Percales Prince Daniel Bato with honors.
Amay Trisha May Dinsay with honors.
Mayar Mark Brian Boynafe with honors.
Amarillo Jean Loyola with honors.
Maskin Paulo Antonio Tesoro with honors.
Albano Princess May Ismula with honors.
Pamposa Ray Jr. Serono with honors.
Aguilar Angel Susain Ribajo with honors.
Palmes Tracy Red Tanya with honors.
Aguilar Shama Grace Abarico with honors.
Palmares Carl Dylan Laconce with honors.
Afante Michelle Neri with honors.
Paliado Junel Initial with honors.
Abrea Peya Bless with honors.
Paladin Pete Andrew Pagmanwa with honors.
Abogada Janelle Fortuna with honors.
Pagaturin Aliparzin Ginti with honors.
Abidin by Sandra Bulalakaw with honors.
De Los Santos Mark Gerald Tumaca.
Buok Marilyn Sabado with honors.
Cartil Al-Rashmi Kababaw.
Bicodo Shielo Marie with honors.
Bisera Juvenjed Dancel.
Bastian Hikima Quezada with honors.
Benetua Carl John Rufino.
Barilia Chloe Shane Banha with honors.
Ariston Hayes Ezra Alimahin.
Bantas Rumalia Lantong with honors.
Amores Jefferson Gonzaga.
Bansil Shanea Escosa with honors.
Alphon Jobert Jr. Tupas.
Baliera Nathalie Sodosta with honors.
Agutaya Prince Kev Discipulo.
Bahari Justin Joy Berdan with honors.
Villa Agustin Ayan Jobert Distor with honors.
Buddy Stephen Kim Tabora with honors.
Tingaw Siron Red Amino with honors.
Bacolod Alexa Espra with honors.
Tingaw Dato Jerome Amino with honors.
Avila Alea Basbanyo with honors.
Tilo Jericho Mada with honors.
Aro Zaira May Valenzuela with honors.
Ciudad Daniel Sarne with honors.
Aranigo April Lorraine Araya with honors.
Navarra John Lawrence Dalmasio.
Cervantes Rayan Jane Escleto with honors.
Martinez Raymond Blanca.
Celebre Ven Rosel Menor with honors.
Manuel Bilibrail Fernandez.
Kayog Erika Crisley Laude with honors.
Magalang Jammer Bonita.
Katbagan Charity May Seredica with honors.
Makadangdang Joren Estandarte.
Castellanes Febe Joy Hiron with honors.
Jacosalem Jehan Uy.
Carriaga Daniela Lois Bautista with honors.
Igdanes Jasper de la Yasan.
Canoy Princess Arriego with honors.
Hizo Albert Tyros.
Camariñas Christine Joy Amar with honors.
Ginang Jerry James Caspilio.
Calmurin Arian Jane Gabato with honors.
Gayanandang Jesus Pupis.
Calderon Ashley Ann De Leon with honors.
Galias Harold Art Malaga.
Kabangal Hannah Jubel Leon with honors.
Fernando Joshua Bell.
Bendicho Jaira Luisa Kapilitan with honors.
Dulay Edric Mark Datuin.
Brasileño Queenie Galino with honors.
Kabadunga Ivan Dave Hablero.
De la Cruz Angeli Brillantes with honors.
Asenia Loverboy Jr. Martiliano.
De la Cruz Rosemary Somoso with honors.
Amoro Leonard Calmorin.
De Fiesta Danica Samson with honors.
Alimudin J.R. Salilama.
Datua Rimadia Abdullah with honors.
Acosta Giancarlo Ugoy.
Dasil Norfaila Maulana with honors.
Samson John Iron Caspilio.
Daransyang Jusine Vinos with honors.
Retuyan Ranjay Magsico.
Dapilaga Micaela Toilo with honors.
Ramitere John Paul Kahandi.
Damandaman Prissy Joy Vicente with honors.
Peñas John Paul Dongines.
Dagsa Alaina Gara with honors.
Parayko Silver Blue Katahay.
Constantino Julaina Cabasalan with honors.
Patino Lance Eric Paul Benetua.
Conihar Marakim Gold Celebre with honors.
Palma Raymart Manzano.
Concepcion Abigail Iya with honors.
Palses Jerome Acanto.
Kulita Princess Kisha Mamayag with honors.
Dion C.J. Ortiz.
Evangelio Talia Catalan with honors.
Chavez John Patrick Gonzalez.
Ismael Rashida Abdulhamid with honors.
Bilbao Raymar Letihio.
Escalera Angel Nice Dorme with honors.
Aris Donald John Manansala.
Elido April Rose Campuñon with honors.
Aquino Mark Dancel Fabregas.
Ekong Crizel Marie Nicolas with honors.
Anipan Ace Kenneth Achacoso.
Limapalaw Shaina Mel Mama with honors.
Mabulay Menard Apubichar.
Limalanas Ashley Mananggol with honors.
Wenceslao John Michael Sarana.
Diaz Elgenico